under my skin. Make sure you try to conjure the wind and ease my mind. Somebody call out to your brother, he's calling out your name. Hiding under the covers with no one else to blame. You couldn't help out your own neighbor, you couldn't tell him to his face. You were fucked up by the blame.
Look at me.
You cower in the corner, confiding in your father. Let it out inside.
I fucking love you, mate. Fucking love you to bits.
Sleep now under my skin. Make sure you try to conjure the wind and
Let you take the one fucking girl I'll ever love, man. I'm sorry.
and I say,
I'm sorry. You broke my heart.
somebody call out to your brother.
Tired of you, mate.
He's calling out your name. Hiding under the covers
You
with no one else to blame.
fucking prick! What's that supposed to mean?
You couldn't help out your own
Means I can't have you
neighbor. You
anymore.
couldn't tell it to his face. You were fucked up by the blame.
Would you want my fucking blood? I'm fucking taking everything on.
You cower in the corner, confide in your father. Let it out inside. Let it out
I really
inside.
fucking love you, you bastard. And I love you too.
Wait there, put yourself out
Okay, alright.
of this state, dear. Acknowledge
Love you,
you
man.
were a fake here. From there on, you might just go.
I know I didn't say this, but I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry. When I get the chance, I'm gonna make it up to you, I promise.
Somebody call out to your brother, he's calling out your name.
You've been too
Hiding under the covers with no one else to blame. You couldn't help out your own neighbor. You couldn't tell it to his face. You were fucked up by
Why are you
the
smiling?